Hi, Kinder. We're back in math, and today we're going to be talking about number lines. Do you remember what a number line is? Yeah, it's a line and it has numbers. It's in the name. Well, so I want to share with you a chart that's going to help us and remind us what a number line is. And so we're going to start with it like this, okay? We're going to write number lines because that's what we're learning about today. And it's important for us to remember the correct name of what we are learning about. What is a number line? We are learning what a number line is. And a number line is a math tool. That's right. This is a tool that helps us in math. And what does it help us to do? It helps us count, add, and even subtract numbers. Wow, this is a pretty neat tool if it could do all that. And I want to show you what a number line looks like. So a number line is a line, and it usually has arrows or dots. And you will see that a number line has these small dashes, and under each dash, it will have a number. So we're going to start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Our number line today is going to go all the way to 20. And that's what we're going to do in the activity. But for now, I just want to show you what it looks like. The arrows mean that it keeps going forever. That's right. The numbers never stop. But my page stops, so I can't fit it all. Now, friends, for a number line, if you're trying to identify the number 1, well, which is the number 1? It's right here. So how would you identify it on a number line? Do you just put your finger on it and then you're done? I'm done. No, you have to actually put a dot on it. Now let's put a dot on number 2. There it is. 2. Now let's go to number 3. 3 and 4. We're going to keep going to number 5 and 6. This way, you know which number you're looking at by the fact that you put that dot. Friends, I also want to tell you something really cool about these number lines. The number lines is a set of numbers that are bigger when you go right. That's this way. And they are smaller when you go left, and that's this way. So if you're going that way, which is the right, they are getting bigger. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's big. Now, if we move to the left, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, they get smaller. Friends, now what we're going to do is we're going to create our own number line. And so what Miss Orozco is going to do, she's going to take any piece of paper. I'm going to choose a nice bright orange one. You can do any piece of paper you want. It could be white. It could be purple, light pink, whatever you need. We also included a document here in Schoology where if you're able to print it out, that's great too. Friends at home, if you are not printing it out, you might need some help from an adult to help you make your number line because we're going to go all the way to 20. So if you notice, I took my page and I folded in half just like that because we want to make sure we have a straight line to work with. So now I'm going to grab my pen or marker, whatever you have, and we're going to put a dot here because that's going to signal 0 for us. And then we're going to draw that line all the way across, and we're going to make this line right here 20. Okay? So friends, this is a time where you get an adult to help you because you want to make sure that you have your number line spaced out properly and that all 20 numbers fit. Okay? show you what this page should look like after you're done doing that. If you need to pause me, perfect. Go right ahead. Go ahead and pause me and finish that number line. Or if you have it printed, we can keep going. Friends, so here is my completed number line that I did all by myself. Now, if you notice, it's not 100% perfect. That's okay. And if you printed it out, that's even better. So friends, we are going to use this number line to help us count. So I want you to grab another fun item that you have, and we are going to count with some dice. If you don't have a dice at home, that's okay, because in Schoology right down here, I linked the website for the online dice. So here's my dice, and I'm going to, it gave me 4. So here's what I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my star is right on top of the 4. And I'm going to keep going. I have 4 again. So friends, instead of going back to 0 and starting all over again, we're going to count 4 on the number line, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now where is my star? On the 8. That's right. Let's do this again. Oh, now I have 1. So I'm only going to jump 1 spot on the number line. 1, all the way to 9. 3. So that's 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm at 12. I'm almost at 20, friends. I have 6. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm so close to 20. 1. Oh, no. 1. That puts me at 19. I need 1 more. And I have 4. So since I don't have any 4 left, I only have 1 left. I'm going to go to 20, and then I'm going to stop. Wow, friends, that was a lot of rolling of my dice to get to 20. What I'd like for you to do at home is to either grab your dice, or if you want to use the online dice, that's fine. And you're going to try and see if you can get to 20 with the least amount of dice. Because if you keep getting 1, it's going to take a lot of turns of using that dice to get to 20. But if you keep getting 6 and 5 and then 6 again, it's going to take less times that you have to roll that dice. So friends, have fun counting on your number line. Another thing we would like for you to do, friends, is here on Schoology, we have a page that has a number line, but some of the numbers are missing. Yeah. So you're going to use your number line, or if you want a challenge, turn it over. Don't use it. Hide it. And use your brain to count with your finger, and you can find those missing numbers. Now, you can write them on a separate piece of paper. If you want to print it out, that's fine too. But any piece of paper will work. Honestly, there's 3 number lines, and you're just going to put number 1 and what numbers are missing, number 2 and what numbers are missing, number 3 and what numbers are missing. Or if you want to take a video, that's fine too. However you want to share it with us, friends. You can submit it here on Schoology to us. Thank you, friends. Have fun with your number line today.